Retief Magistrate's Court in Mpumalanga. Mweli Masilela, we're back with you now. You were getting the latest for us from the Mpumalanga police.
Stephen would like to apologize about the technical problems there, but I can tell you that the police spokesperson here, Colonel Donald Mluli, was still telling us about the damage that has been done. We haven't had an opportunity to see exactly what happened, because he's saying that the properties that were damaged are just down the street there. So after this conversation with him, we'll then try and go and see as to what exactly happened. But Colonel, you are still telling us more about what exactly happened. If you can just give us, in terms of the details, what happened.
Indeed, while the court was proceeding inside, we had an incident in which some of the community members that have gathered were trying to get into the court, whereas there is a barbed wire that police have erected to try and ensure that the court is not disturbed. So as they were trying to pull over the barbed wire, our members tried to intervene to stop them. And after that, that's when this group of individuals went on rampage, where they destroyed some properties, including state vehicles. We've got 2 of our vehicles that were damaged. And as I was indicating, there was a man at the moment. I think they are going to open a case after they try to assist him with the medical attention that he must get. There was a man that was stabbed, unfortunately, after this. So as police would like to strongly condemn this behavior, which is, shows that some people are not adhering to the law.
Sorry to disturb you. I just want to know if at this stage, at this particular stage, you do have information about the man that was stabbed. Who is this person, and perhaps why was he targeted?
We might not know what was the target, why was he targeted, but unfortunately there is a man that was stabbed by this group of people. So police are busy, as well as the medical personnel attending to him. So he was unfortunately stabbed.
And then normally after the court proceedings, like the previous court appearance, once the court was adjourned, we saw that the police would clear the area and move out of the area. We can see that a lot of police are still around. Is it because they are still going to be busy with some operations, especially now that you are saying that there was some damage caused and then some state vehicles damaged?
Yes, police are going to maintain, we are going to maintain our presence in this area, as like the man that was stabbed. He was stabbed after the court adjourned. So we are going to make sure that our people or the community are safe, community members are safe, as well as their property. So even tomorrow you will find us here making sure that there is no property that is destroyed and people are safe, so that things can go smoothly.
Also here in court, outside court here, from the people we spoke to, we are getting a sense that they are not happy with the manner in which police are addressing some of the incidents that have happened here. In fact, there are allegations that in some instances you find that police, at least according to the community members, are in the pockets of some of these farmers that are being accused of wrongdoing here. Is that the case? What is your response as the police service?
With regard to that, if there are any allegations to that matter, we've got a system in place which, if people are complaining of misconduct by our members, you can go to the police station and report that to the station commander. We also have our district commanders or district commissioners that you can report. Failure to that, maybe you can even go to the provincial office where you can address. We've got a complaint office where such matters can be raised. If you don't feel like that, I mean, we know that you can even use our sister structure, which is Independent Police Investigative Directorate. So we encourage our people not to keep quiet when such things are happening, because we as police, we have to be unbiased. We don't have to take sides, but we have to do things so that at the end of the day, justice is served.
Okay, lastly, as we wrap, what then happens tomorrow after the incidents that you have talked about with us now? Can we expect more police presence, heavy police presence, more police officers than the number we are seeing here today?
Yes, I can say to you, all our planning is in place. Hence, they didn't manage to break through and come to the court because we have to secure this place. Also, we need to ensure that even the surrounding areas are protected. That's why I indicated to you that as police, we are going to maintain our presence in this place.
Thank you very much for talking to us. That is Colonel Donald Mluli, who is speaking on behalf of the police here in Mpumalanga, saying that after the incident he has been talking about, as members of the police service, they will make sure that they keep their presence here so that they make sure that there is calm in this area. And he has told us that at least 2 vehicles belonging to the police and also some properties, I'm told it's a butchery, have been damaged by some of the people who have been protesting here. Well, we'll go there, Stephen, and try to find out what exactly happened, because as well we are hoping that when we go there we will at least get a side of whoever is that side to find their side of the story as to what exactly transpired. Stephen.
Mweli Masilela with the latest there. Thanks very much indeed. Well, dramatic scenes in Piet Retief this afternoon.